Boom. All right, so y'all know what the day is. Ain't even gotta say no other. Brr, straight like that. The biggest name I see so far is Nike, even though they stock is down. Let's be for real. Yes, Nike CCL. Who is CCL? Nobody knows. Anyway, Tuesday PMI, Chicago PMI, ADP, non-farm. Boom. We could just go all the way down to Friday. Let's be for real. The biggest name I see, NFP, non-farm payrolls. Last time it came out, it was 22,000, and it moved the market in the downside. It went up. I think the market went up for like 15 minutes, if I'm not mistaken. It came right back down. I think we was at all-time highs as well, if I'm not mistaken, because it wasn't that long ago. I believe it was maybe 3 weeks ago, 3 4 weeks ago. Who knows? So, I mean, what am I talking about? Anyway, it came down straight like that. What else do I see? Um, that's it for real. That's it. Boom. Let me just go ahead and talk about these stocks. Take me a sip of this water. I'm not gonna try to fly through, but I am gonna try to fly through straight like that. Boom. Price could be making a lower high, or price could be going higher. Um, I mean, it doji at all time highs. So this week coming up, maybe we'll have to see. We'll have to see. We'll just have to see. And when is Thursday? Wednesday. Okay, Wednesday is the 1st of August. So that's cool. Anyway, Doji on the weekly price went up throughout the week. Oh well, wait. Yes, it went up, made made a new all time high, and this little formation looked like not lower highs, inverted head and shoulder. No, not inverted. Excuse me. I'm thinking too fast. This looks like it don't look like this is head and shoulders to my understanding. Let me go to mark it out. Boom. This whole thing right here. Boom. Head and shoulders. Boom. And really, what I was expecting Spot to do was go up and then come back down, but that didn't happen on Friday. And yeah, what I'll be looking for, or what I think is the level right above it, right above where price is at right now, which is 664. Above 664, I believe we could possibly see higher. And if we reject 664 and the all-time high 667, we'll just have to see. We could possibly be going lower. That's my theory. Yeah, straight like that, Glee. Anyway, Q's. I mean, it's under the 21 on the 4 hour. It is on the 4 hour. Oh, by the way, Spot did wick off the 21. Spot did wick off the 21 on the daily. It doji. That was interesting. And also it was last week lows as well. So that's why I'm thinking we possibly could go higher. Possibly could go higher, but we do have to see with this news and all this other shenanigans. Yep. Anyway, Q's. Boom. Again, just similar to SPY. The level I'm thinking 599. Let me go down to the hourly. Why not? Go down to the hourly. Get a little better on the no 4 hour. I like the strong time frame. I can mix them up. But anyway, boom, another peak, it's a shoulder right here. So I'm thinking it's a shoulder, head, around here. No, it's the neckline down here. But I'm thinking SPY, not SPY, QQQ. Um, it'll just have to get above that level. That's what I'm thinking, for to see higher. And if it rejects, then we'll know that price would be going lower. Straight like that. Straight like that. Boom. qcom. I still do have qcom. Maybe I was being a little lazy. I'm just being totally real with myself. I'm not gonna lie. But what did I see on qcom? What did I see on qcom? Boom. I seen it try to go up to this level 175. It didn't necessarily go all the way up to that level. It was definitely in that range. But I was thinking qcom could possibly come down. What did I say? qcom 163 bounce. That's what I said on qcom 163 bounce. I really want to see what they do at this level. I'm gonna mark this level out as well. 170. I want to see what qcom do at 170. And yeah, straight like that. Straight like that. No wrap. Boom. A ticker I've never ever talked about before. Trying to switch it up, you know. Small cap stock. I did a little background fundamental research on this stock as well. They just turned profitable this year. For trailing 12 months, they're up. What was it? It's off the top of my head. I want to say it was 600,000 in profit and net revenue. And yes, this stock is something with digital, something with what is this? Performance, marketplace, and technologies for the financial home service industry. Boom, here you go right here. Engages in performance, marketplace, and technologies for the financial and home services industry. Boom. It does digital media. What am I? Digital media for traffic for a wide range of device types. Anyway, this is not ELA, but I do think the buy area is around 16. Not 16. What am I saying? Slow down. The buy area is around 18, 19. And I say that because the golden pocket. Straight like that. Golden pocket. What is this? Safety buy in the middle. Boom. Boom. $6. Go to this little wick right here. $7. 36%. And possibly could see even higher. What I'm thinking on how do you pronounce this? qnst. Until I learn how to pronounce it off camera. qnst. Straight like that. And yeah. What it? No, let me be for real. Nah, hell no. But anyway, hold on. Doing this live. 17. You go to highs. What is it? 18. So I'm gonna just stick with my 18, 19 in that golden pocket. This does have to show me some type of strength. I mean, it is kinda right now. You draw a trend line, boom, boom, draw a trend line. If we keep respecting the trend line, we could possibly see higher. And I need to add levels to this chart, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do it right now. Why not? Nice. Dang. Boom. Do this quick. Boom. Boom. Resistance. Dang, y'all for real? Boom. Boom. Yo, what's going on? What the? Okay, this jump tweaking. But anyway, y'all get the gist. On to the next crowd strike. What the? Hold on, bro. This shit tweaking. Sorry for my profanity, but this junk is tweaking. Crowd strike. Okay, what am I thinking on crowd strike? This one I did kind of dialect, whatever you want to call it. I did kind of look at this chart and made a prediction. $488 for lower highs. I was looking down. 488 for lower highs. That's what I'm thinking. That's what I'm thinking. Straight like that. What is this? Crowd strike came down. Yeah. Wait, hold on. What am I talking about? Boom. Crowd strike came down. Came down for a whole week. And I'm thinking crowd strike could possibly make lower highs. We just have to see. If it does, probably can get filled around what I say 488. We can see around 488 and then possibly push into this next level 455 and possibly could see 413. So 1%. I should have. I ain't gonna say I should have did this earlier. I should have got ready for this video on yesterday. Straight like that. But I'll be back at this on Sunday and throughout the week. Straight like that. Believe.